GentleMentor.com, your source for personalized professional tutorials for the beginner or expert, for business or personal. Unfortunately, spam is an internet fact of life. There are many ways that your email address is captured, used, and even sold to others who want to send you email to try to profit from you. One of the first things that you can do to stop or at least limit the amount of spam in your inbox is to hide those easily farmed mail to links. In this brief tutorial, I will show you how to camouflage those links so spiders and web crawlers cannot capture your email address. To baffle the unscrupulous spammers, we will use 5 simple lines of JavaScript. Granted, that adds 4 lines to your normal email href link, but consider the hundreds of or thousands of spam emails you may avoid. Okay, now we get down to the nuts and bolts. Here is the JavaScript. You'll see the 5 codes of JavaScript lines in yellow. Line 1 begins the JavaScript code. Line 2 makes a variable that holds the first part of your email address. Line 3 makes a variable that holds your domain name. Line 4 puts it all together. And line 5 closes the JavaScript code. Okay, now let's see just what we need to do in order to use those 5 lines of JavaScript. First thing you need to do is look for the line that has your mail name and change that to the part of your email address before the @ sign. Next, look for the line that contains your domainname.com and change that to the part of your email address after the @ sign. And there's an example. I've changed your email name to John Doe, and I've changed the domain to hotmail.com. And you'll see an example of how the script will look after I've made those changes. Now all you need to do is copy the 5 lines of script, open up your web page editor, and paste those lines into it, and you'll have a hidden email link. Okay, now let's see what this is going to do in our web page. I have an example here on the screen. And on the left side of the screen, you'll see the old way with the email link that says email me. And looking down towards the bottom of the browser window on the status line, you'll notice that it has mail to your email name at your domain, which would be your actual real email address on the web. Over on the right-hand side, we'll see what it looks like the new way. And the new link, as you can see, as I highlight it and look at the address bar, the only thing that shows up there is mail to, and it's blank, so that it cannot be searched, found, copied, or taken from you in any way. In effect, your email address is now invisible to anyone on the web, and yet it still works. Let's review just what needs to be changed and how you get to use this code in your web page. Number 1, you change the part of the script that says your mail name. Number 2, you change the part that says your domain. And then finally, you copy the new and changed script lines and paste it into your web page. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For a full screen high-resolution copy of this tutorial, including documentation and samples, visit GentleMentor.com.